Friend of mine in this Airdrop channel. Okay, so here is we have one intention for making money. Okay, that is our main intention. We are from different country, we are different color people, but our intention is same. Okay, financial freedom. So the thing has been easy in this time is crypto. Okay, why? Because if you notice that without crypto payment, um, others payment is slightly difficult. Okay, you need to contact with a bank, you need to have bank account, but instead of the crypto you need to just have first, and that first is your, okay, nobody knows about that, and that is MetaMask wallet. It could be exchanger, and immediately used to waste, and immediately you can do transaction. There is no need third party here. So one thing I remember is this wallet, you can download their apps, but I don't recommend it. Just add Chrome extension into here. I'm showing you, and this link paste in your browser. Click on that link and go to your browser. So here is this page will be pop up, so click immediately on this add to Chrome on here, and click on this OK. It will be added into here, and you need to set up your Fleal wallet. And after doing it, so you need to go through guild, where you need to done certain task. Okay, so I'm doing it desktop in order to see properly. So here is, I would create new wallet. I'm showing you next, set first. Okay, so it's taking a little bit time, I agree. Okay, so you see everything. Maybe here I need to back again because I don't want to lose my account. So here is, I'm doing slightly pause. Okay, do your way that I showed you. So everything password here. So click on this next and finish setup. Okay, it is the last section of this chapter of creating setting up your fuel wallet. So I'm creating, I'm clicking on here next, set up. So the password will use to unlock your wallet. Next, finish setup. I did it, but it is not working. Maybe it is weak. Yeah. Yeah, that they wanting to say after browser. So anyhow, now I can go through their apps. Okay, so in order to enter their apps, just click on here. So now your set a account is setting up. Now come back into here. Here is another link, that is human test imp. Okay, So first thing first, you should have testnet faucet. First, we will go through this link that I put it here, this on. So copy link and paste. You'll see. So what you do is connect your wallet, click this sign in, and here is fuel wallet. Click on there immediately and click on this next. Immediately do click on next again and do connect. Okay, and it is connecting. If you noticed here, little bit time will take. Okay, it has been. Now click on the verify address. Okay, looking for key pairs. So anyhow, we are if it is doesn't work, what you need to do, just do over and over again. Okay, so traffic light, I'm seeing here, maybe. Okay, now it's time to, okay, sign in. It will be connect now. Okay, it now it's, everything got. Now it is time to do your task. Okay, inside of the guild. So guild is the like Glax platform. So here is hold at least 0.000 on Ethereum and complete a captures valid until 3 months. Have a Discord account older than 6 months. Verified member. So fuel enthusiasm, follow them on Twitter. Fuel X. So everything you need to done, join guild to get roles. So first connect your Telegram into here. Connect your Discord, Twitter, everything. Okay, it will say. So I'm connecting very soon. I'm coming back. uh, Telegram successfully connected, taking you back to guild. Okay, same way do your Discord as well as your Twitter and whatever thing they want you to connect. Okay, they want you to do the thing immediately. Okay, never be, okay, never be, you know never be postponed. Okay, do immediately. So here is we are. So verified member, join guild to check access. So click on there, click on, we did connect Telegram. So I don't know what is happening here. Past, oh okay, we lost our connecting. Okay, so what we need to do is here, I don't know where is fully, wallet is that has, where is fuel. Oh, I'm not seeing in here. So anyhow, click on here again. So click on this sign again. If I click on there, MetaMask, it is not working because we did connect on fuel with fuel. Okay, MetaMask is getting connected. Okay, we're doing connected with MetaMask. Let me see now. It doesn't matter. You can connect, with MetaMask. Doesn't matter. It is here. it is taking a little bit time. We did create our fuel account, and here we are. So it's taking a little bit time. Never be freak out. It is, it is like this. And yeah, do connect, because we didn't find the fuel wallet on extension section. If fuel has there, we will do connect that, but unfortunately we didn't got that. Anyhow, we will do that anyway. Okay. It's just one thing I do crazy, that is do anyway. Okay, because if you deserve a thing that need to be done, it will be done. If you don't, it will not. Okay, so join guild to get access. So I'm clicking on it again here in order to connect. Okay, so click on the sign button again. If I do in here, click on MetaMask and set up the MetaMask. Okay, so MetaMask again will get notified by our RMT. Okay, so I'm saying that it is, simple, but sometimes it is take couple of time, because testnet mean it's easy, but it take time. Okay, because bug fixing has on every testnet. So definitely a lot of experts get freaked out about it, because their bug fixing, like I'm using their website, we see how many times it takes to get connected, and it is even deal. Okay, it is even fastest website that is has fully comparable way to use. Their website is getting this fuck up. Anyhow, if I do click on again here, so connect your MetaMask. Let's say you connected, and what you need to do is join guild, check access, click on there. Okay, our thing has been connected, our wallet has been connected inside of here, if you noticed. Okay, so little bit verify need to be, so click on there. MetaMask get notified by your attempting. So very soon it will be. Okay, verify address, click on there, and it will get notified by you attempting. Okay, also never be freak out about anything at all. I'm saying it will be done by you. So click on again here, check your wallet. Okay, check your wallet. So never be lazy, never be fuck up. Okay, nobody give you, if you don't care yourself, who will? Nobody care yourself. Okay, if you don't make money, who will give you? Nobody will give you. Okay, if somebody give you, they make you slaps. Okay, never be slaps. Okay, just do actively as much as you can do. I'm trying to do, because I never before join. I'm just joining through this video as well as I'm recording. Therefore, it's taking a long time. Okay, maybe this video is motivating you, because it's taking much more time than you expected. Anyhow, even me, because I never before joined in this offer. I post on my Twitter. So anyhow, if you don't yet join our Telegram, you can check out this video's description box. Inside of this video's description box has Telegram channel link. You walk through that link and come into our community. Okay. So the thing is where I every day do post about Airdrop, updated about Europe. You can feel free to get update on there. There's the Alpha Telegram, okay, totally free. Okay, you can make more money if you join in the into Telegram, okay, Telegram channel. So anyhow, and you can talk with me if you feel any uncomfort zone for joining, okay. So here is a couple of tasks, not so much, 1 2 3 4 tasks, okay. Verified member, you need to have this kind 0.001 Ethereum inside of your wallet, and for doing it, you can join guild to check access. Just click on there, it will be done. Complete captcha, simple, and have a Discord, connect your Discord into here. And after doing it, the second task is this one. So follow on there, click on there after connecting your Twitter inside of the guild, because if you don't connect and you do follow, it's nonsense. It's never it's never be intellectual, okay. It's a foolish type of work. So follow fuel on Farcaster. If you have Farcaster account, do it, follow immediately. So number 3 is this one. So have fuel in your username. Okay, have fuel in your Twitter username. You need to have at least 30 followers on Twitter. You should have, and follow Suyang Lang on Twitter. So to follow and click every time you've done it, so click this button, join guild to check access. Join guild to check access. So while you connect on your account here, okay, first you need to connect account, and here is you can do by fuel. If you got fuel into here, because fuel I'm not seeing here, fuel had in here, because we did while we begin this video, at the time that it was in here. Therefore what we did, we installed fuel account, okay. This fuel account we created because of, and there here was fuel. But if you don't found fuel, do MetaMask or OKX, whatever you prefer to. So this is the task. I know